Hello guys, welcome to olujoseph.com, and today I want to really answer questions from some of my students, participants at my training who have asked me questions on why their adverts are not being accepted on Facebook. Now I want to use this short video to teach you on 6 prohibited content not allowed for Facebook adverts. Not 5, 6. And at the end of the video, you are even going to see more content that Facebook do not permit. They are prohibited on Facebook for Facebook adverts. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. 5 prohibited content not for Facebook adverts means you cannot promote them for Facebook. On Facebook, your account is either short or the advert will not be approved. So once you know this, why do you now want to continue complaining that you cannot place advert on Facebook? So you need to know this. I want you to be ready. Be ready. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your time. Once you know something, then you don't need to be wasting your energy on it. Okay? So we will go through this video, this content, and then we'll continue learning from there. Okay. My system is hanging. Okay, it's up now. Okay, so who am I? In the last 12 months, exactly 2018, I've trained over 2,000 small business owners, my team and I, across Nigeria. And I've also discussed on these issues on television, national television, here in Abuja, Nigeria. Talked about Facebook, social media, and different types of internet marketing opportunities available for small business owners. Okay, this is the first one. Facebook, not really the first, but one of the things you cannot promote on Facebook. Your account will be banned. The advert will not be approved. Drugs and drug-related products. Facebook adverts must not promote the sale or use of illegal prescription or recreational drugs. It's not allowed. It will not be approved. So don't bother calling me or saying you want to promote drugs on Facebook. Okay, the next thing is weapons, ammunition, or explosive. You cannot go on Facebook and say you want to advertise, you want to do paid advert. When I'm talking about the advertisement, I'm talking about paid advert. You can't go and sell guns on Facebook. It won't be approved. Okay, if you want to try it, try it. And when your account is banned, then you will know that I'm saying the truth. Okay, so you cannot sell weapons and ammunition on Facebook. Cryptocurrency product and services. Facebook has banned all advertising promoting cryptocurrency product or services in effort to preserve the integrity of the social media platform. A lot of things, a lot of scam has happened. People have lost money. People have lost their pension, their gratuity, house rent to this cryptocurrency. A lot of us. So Facebook is helping us to curb it. You cannot advertise cryptocurrency products and services on Facebook. Your account will be banned. The advert will not go. All right, that's the third product. The fourth content, for those of us who are in multi-level marketing business, I am also a multi-level marketer. Facebook will not allow us to promote our offers based on their own judgment. So we look for something else. So another way, basically multi-level marketing is word of mouth. It's word of mouth that we do our promotion. So don't bother yourself if you have a network marketing product or business you are running, don't bother yourself wasting your time advertising on Facebook. It will not be approved or your account will be banned. Another one is weight loss. Yes, look at these ladies. Once they were fat, now they are slim. Facebook don't like this and they don't want you to place any advert like that. Once you were sick, now you are healthy. Facebook don't want it. So friends, don't bother yourself placing advert, paid advert I repeat, paid advert. Don't do paid advert on weight loss or diet products. It will not be approved. It's prohibited. That's what Facebook said. And then the sixth product, because I don't want this video to be too long, short, straight to the point. Adult products and services cannot be promoting pornography on Facebook, on paid adverts. It will not happen. It will not be accepted. It will not be accepted. So these are the 6 contents that there are more basically, but for the purpose of this video, this educational video, I only focus on 6. Okay, so what are they? Let's go back and look at them again. Drugs and drug-related products are prohibited. Weapons, ammunition, or explosives are prohibited. Cryptocurrency products and services are prohibited. Multi-level marketing opportunities are prohibited. Personal health, weight loss, or diet are also prohibited. And then adult products and services are prohibited. So here you have with this video telling you things that you cannot promote on Facebook, on paid advert on Facebook. Meanwhile, Facebook has done its best by providing a list of prohibited content you cannot advertise on Facebook. They even mention number 30. So if you go to this link, just copy this link, put it on your browser, and go there, you will see a list of prohibited content you cannot advertise on Facebook. You will see them. So it's better to learn, read, learn, watch videos, and then learn so that you can do your business in a better way. Okay? And then, of course, here I am again, content rules. Many of us don't know how to create content. And when we mention content, we talk about the images, videos, and the text or articles that you post online. You need to know the exact thing to do. What are the tools to use in creating videos, tools to creating images, tools, of course, to write articles so that you can post them on your Facebook business page or your profile, your personal profile. So you can contact me, Olu Joseph, for your Facebook marketing. I can train you, train your staff, train everybody in your company, and train you individually. If you want, contact me on WhatsApp number 234-8066-228-937. All right? Thank you very much for watching this video. Watch it again and again, and then you contact me. God bless you.